Hi, this is Nick from Robo-Serve, and I'm very excited to show you the ABIR VC201 prototype. It's the handheld vacuum from ABIR, cordless handheld vacuum. Alright, so yeah, I mean, this is obviously the prototype, so the packaging is quite rudimentary. You can see the booklet is also quite rudimentary, hasn't got the kind of branding on it yet. I'm hoping I'll show you kind of what's included in the box before I take everything out. So I hope you guys can see that. You can just kind of freeze the video if you kind of want to compare it to something else that you're considering. All right, yeah, before I carry on, just a quick disclaimer. I did pay for this prototype, but they did give me a $5 off because I told them I was going to do this video for them. So yeah, just getting that out of the way. All right, so then taking you through the items that come in the packaging. So the first item is the main body. Okay. All right, it's quite a nice solid feeling thing. There's actually a button up front. There we go. So that's the bottom to open up front. There you go. So that's the button to open this bottom piece here. All right. Okay, so that's that, the main body. Then this is obviously one of the attachments, like extendable suction head. All right, battery. Okay, I'll show you guys all the specs at the end. All right, but yeah, let's just show you how that clips in. Okay, there's a little button at the back here. So you push that down, and there you go. Okay. You've got a little button at the back here, and obviously the branding ABIR. I think that you got to push that to put it on, and then pull the front. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there you go. It's on. You've got the lights at the back here, which obviously tells you the amount of battery left. Okay. Let's turn it on again. And you push this red button again to just increase the power. Yeah, I mean, I'm quite impressed, to be honest with you. Okay, so that's the main body with the battery. Here is the hanging board. Okay, so hanging board does have got a bit of margin for error when you put it onto the wall with the screws. Just see how that fits together. That's how it's going to hang. Alright, then, okay, you got the floor suction head. It's this piece here. Okay, you can see you've got, let's just see if you can rotate it. Okay, so it's rotating horizontally. It's obviously vertically as well, so that's quite nice to get underneath the sofa and everything. Okay. It has got a roller brush underneath, and it looks like it's got LED lights. Let's just see. I'll plug it into the main body. Let me just take it off the main board there. Go. Okay, so it looks like it's got 3 pins here. So just line that up. Okay, turn it on. There we go. So you can see that bottom roller is also spinning. See if I can just adjust the speed there. That's great. Okay, so that's the foot roller. Here's the extension pipe for the foot roller. Okay, so that'll plug in at the bottom here. Okay. And then that'll obviously plug in at the top. Yeah. Alright. Just line it up correctly. There you go. Okay, nice. Feels like aluminium. Okay. And I suppose the big question is if you can, what sort of height? Okay. Here is the adapter. Okay. To charge the battery. Plug it in here. This is to charge it. Plug it in, and then put it that way. So yeah, it is possibly something, because you don't normally kind of want to plug it in and then put it up, but yeah, it is something just to consider when comparing it against other solutions out there. Okay, solution. Okay, another suction head. So this is obviously to do the sofa. Oh, just to mention as well, it's got the sort of piece of felt here, and this actually is a rotatable brush there, and there's the piece of felt. Okay, so that's and then there's the pins, the same pins that are on the foot suction piece. Okay, then you've got this piece here, also just another suction head. Okay, that clips out and clips in again. So it seems like if you don't want, it's got a nice feature. So this has obviously got the brush bit, and then if you don't want the brush piece, you just put it back. That's quite nice. Okay, and then yeah, you've got your focused suction head. Okay, there. It seems like it's also got holes on the side, so it doesn't damage the motor if there's no sort of suction release hole at the top of the suction pipe. Okay, that's that. And then you've got the screws to obviously put your wall piece on the wall. Okay, then lastly, just to cover the specs of the machine. So let's hold it up so you guys can see it there. Just take a screenshot, freeze it quickly. Okay, but basically you're looking at, so the battery is a 2000 milliamp battery. The charging time, it says 3 to 4 hours, and the whole machine, the power of the motor is 250 watts. Alright, great. If you found this useful, please hit the subscribe, hit the like, it always helps. Thank you. Have a good one. Cheers.